Are you a skilled web developer? If you are, Jack, just another company is looking for you. They are IT specialists hoping to partner up with a skilled web developer so they can create a self checkout app. Yes, guys, so please, only skilled web developers are being looked for. I will leave Jack's information in the description box down below. If you think you've got the skills, please hit them up and they will be in touch with you. Don't say that I didn't plug you guys. If I steep ears or so, ching ching. Yan amukela kunkqubo yami bumtaba kadad bumtaba kagogo bumtaba ka-auntie bumtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, Msware Kamukhala, I have got you covered. Titi boom. There. We start off with some sad news, guys. My TikTok account has been hacked. Just as I was getting traction on TikTok, we were talking about reviews and going around different spots in Soweto, and the numbers were starting to go up. I was sitting at 41,000 followers. My TikTok got hacked yesterday by an iPhone 12 Pro Max near Lagos, Nigeria. So please, one thing about me, I'm not phased and I give up. So this is the link to my new TikTok down below. Please follow my new account. Siyaqhubeka, Mshito Utswela Pili. Last year in November, my big YouTube channel with over 100,000 subscribers was hacked. Like it was hacked to the max. I started a new YouTube and we are sitting over 30,000 subscribers. As Peli Moya, we have gotten our old YouTube channel back and we are using it for daddy issues and as per Moya, guys. So this is my new TikTok account down below. Please follow it so that we can just get back to where we were, if not surpass those numbers. Thank you so much in advance for following me on TikTok. Now, my colleague Lanzigama is an undercover ninja, allegedly, okay? She has been accused of having an investment company that scams people. The investment company goes by Prime Trades Limited, and she goes by the alias Lisa Mwape, okay? Now, the only police that are going to get involved in this crime is the FBI on Redditing's blacklist group because what in the AI images are we using? What in the engine Techa do you mean you got scammed by a Lanzigama that was born in 1956 but looks like this? Guys, please, if you get scammed by such images, no, you deserve to get scammed. I got you deserve to get scammed. Like we can only blame Engine Terra for so much. Okay? Not these type of scamations because what do you mean? What do you mean land is in the crooked places with such images? She herself was shocked and was like, but guys, like but like does it when you do the maths literacy of John 3 verse 99, does it no, please don't. Guys, no. All wrong. In acrimony, Bab scammed. You are the battery, and you were next to Tyler Perry when he was producing it because what do you even mean? But when I know you guys are like, what? I was just watching a video and then you don't see it anymore. Well, Umakoti was a Sweden has made sure that no one is able to talk about her here on YouTube. Therefore, if there is any sign of her name anywhere, your video gets taken down or removed. I just received an email from YouTube telling me that my content is harassing someone and it's bullying someone, even though I was talking about an update regarding the cease and desist that I received. So anytime you use igama lakamakoti wase Sweden, your content gets taken down or it is removed. This is why my video was taken down, and this is the part that I've just edited. So I'm just gonna add this part and then re-upload. Yeah, I was trying to give you guys an update regarding Umakoti was to Sweden, and that ever since I asked for an apology, I haven't received any communication on their part. And now, as you can see, when we speak about her, your videos are removed from YouTube. Another content creator actually did email me regarding this, and I didn't know it was also like going to affect me as I was giving an update regarding that situation. And here it is right now playing out. So it's wild. It's wild on these streets. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to upload this content. Don't worry. You're going to see it just now. Hi, Nina. Hi, Nina. Mihlali Ndamase. She's currently in hot water with SARS. SARS is telling us that Mihlali has uh, taxes that are unpaid, which are over 580,000 rand. Yes, this comes after guys, I told you, SARS is coming for influenza, and SARS is not sleeping. They are looking at you. Why did Mihlali just buy 2 Hermes bags with over 1 million rand? And SARS said, ow, nana, see, let's Mihlali. Khona manje, bahleli la, and they are looking into selling some of her assets to recover their money. When Mihlali was asked to comment, she said that her manager will get back to Sowetan newspaper. So this is in fact quite real, and like that story was so long, guys. It even said Hori the dates was like almost 1 million rand. I think I'm just not. I will leave the story here. But yeah, the debt was big, and then they negotiated it down to 580,000 rand, and they said they must pay it within 10 days. 10 days. But guys, do you see that the life you put out and the lifestyle you put out has consequences? Hmm? And when you don't pay your tax, there is consequences also. Ne? You can't live like this and then you want to avoid certain people, because these people are unavoidable. Ask Dr. Malinga, he will tell you. Ask Sean Mkize, he will tell you. And another thing, now that SARS is looking at the influencers, I wonder what the lesson is for influencers, because declare. People like us, content creators, influencers, if you make alternative money, freelancing, whatever, we fall under the provisional tax bracket. We pay tax 2 times a year. I cannot tell you this enough. You pay tax for your projection, what you think you're going to make, and then you pay tax for what you have actually made. But the lang sucks. Thank goodness, Poppy, my mother, Richard, is an accountant, because I would be lost without you. No, for real. But yeah, guys, no, tax is no joke. And when they come for you, it's gonna feel like you are inside boiling water, easy under kettles. Like, oh man, I didn't see this coming for Mihlali. I thought everything of hers was in order. But yeah, man. And I think like one thing about Mihlali, I think in my mind, Mihlali is like a trillionaire, you know. She was the first girl I had ever seen that looked at a Balenciaga jacket, right? And she said 44,000, not bad. She didn't even flinch at the price. She was the first girl that had that toiletry bag, a Louis Vuitton, a 40,000. And she was just like, was it 80,000 or something like that? I'm Kumbui, guys, because these monies that I can't remember, it means that I really don't have them in my bank account. But she never flinched at any price. And then now she got 2 Hermes bags. Do you know what it takes to get an Hermes bag? That's why I don't believe anyone walking around with an Hermes bag. It takes years, guys. Years to get an Hermes bag. your sales associate needs to have you as a regular buyer at the shop. Like you need to buy scarves, shoes, anything from MS, and you should be a regular buyer to build up your portfolio. And then once your sales associate sees, okay, you've made quite a few purchases over some time, even years, you know what they do? They now tell you, okay, you can finally purchase your first Birkin. And even when you purchase your first Birkin, okay, you don't just walk in the store and choose which Birkin you want. They tell you which one you are able to choose from. They'll give you like a few options and very limited options. Then you choose which one you can get. And then that's only when you can purchase your own Hermes Birkin bag from the curly right up to like the actual Birkin. So e-Birkin bag is not just anyone can have. Okay, it's a nice to have, but it's really not an anyone can have. So if you're walking around with Birkin and we've never seen you with any Hermes product, we just look at you like, oh, Sana, guys, sorry, I am a fashion whore. I am a label whore. Like, so these things, I don't get shocked or moved. Everyone walking with Van Cleef, it's impossible. It's impossible. So don't ever look at social media people and be like, ooh, ooh, ooh. It's really whoa, 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 whoa. Bheka manje. Idla nje iwisa yakho ne-tin fish. Awunaskinga. Awunaskinga nesasa ngithi. So qhubeka mntase. Qhubeka mntakamama. Don't let anyone fool you. It's tough out there.